So what is really the most efficient? A human brain or AI? What do you think? Your brain runs on about 20 watts, a dim light bulb. AI runs on buildings full of servers, so AI must waste more energy, right? Both sides of this argument are wrong. A 2024 study compared AI and humans on the same tasks, and the result? AI emitted up to 1500 times less CO2 writing text, and up to 2900 times less making images. Case closed? Look closer at how they counted the human. To get that number, they charged the human for their entire life. They took a whole yearly footprint, 15 tons for an American, and sliced it down to the task's few minutes. The AI only pays for its electricity. That's loading the dice. So let's be honest. Count only the thing that's actually doing the work, the brain. 20 watts, always on, evolved to be efficient. Now pick a real task, booking one invoice. One invoice takes a person about 90 seconds. 20 watts for 90 seconds is roughly half a watt hour of brain energy. Now the AI. A big Opus class model, the Claude version, uses about 5 watt hours. Read it, work out the accounts, write it up. A small model around 1. A heavy reasoning model 20 or more. So per invoice, the brain doesn't just win, it wins by about 10 times. Myth busted. AI is the energy hog, not so fast. Because a brain can book invoices alone, you need a screen, a computer, lights, the cloud. So let's count everything. 2000 invoices a year. Here's the year. A human at a laptop. About 5.5 kilowatt hours. The Opus class AI doing the same 2000 invoices, plus you checking it, about 11. The big AI uses roughly twice the human's energy. On pure energy, handing this to a powerful AI is a slight loss, not a win. But energy is the wrong scoreboard. Nobody ever pays for a human's energy. You pay for their time. And that's where everything flips. Look at the cost. The human's energy for the year, about $1. Their time, around 1500. The AI's electricity is baked into its price, roughly $60 in compute, a few hundred if you review every result. So AI turns $1,500 of labor into a few hundred, while energy stays a rounding error in both. So when does AI genuinely save energy? When the human version drags in real physical cost. Commuting, big lit offices, physical prototypes, travel, but one person at a keyboard. There's no energy to save. One catch. When something gets nearly free, we do far more of it. More reports, more drafts, more everything. So the totals can climb even as the cost per task falls. So here's the honest answer. On energy, your 20 watt brain already won. On cost, AI wins big. Two different questions and almost nobody keeps them straight. Use AI to buy back your time, not to save the planet. I run the numbers, everyone else skips. If this changed how you think, subscribe.